Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Asmir Bayan. For now on, I'm gonna be discuss about the number 3 sitting. This is the continuation of the number 2 video I sent last time. So now on, sitting, number 3 sitting. So what is sitting? So sitting, this is done using both hands above your head. So the goal is to place the ball correctly, so your teammate can hit or spike it. Your fingers should be open in shape like a triangle, or as if you are holding a ball. The ball should touch your fingertips, not your palms. So you should have soft hand, so you can control the height and directions of the ball properly. That is the video for number 3 sitting. So see you the next videos, number 4, attacking or spiking. Okay, bye.